Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because if you read the title down below, you already know I got that new from the main choice. Here it is, the healthy hair regimen boosting kit. You can get it only at Walgreens. You can order it on the main choice's site starting February 1st, I believe. There's 4 different items in here and they come in this box right here. It retails for $25. I think the total price is like $26.68 if you're really technical. It's about $26.68 including tax. Tax may be different where you live, don't know. So yeah, it claims to have just the boost you need to take your hair to the next level. So in here we have the Silk Amino Acid and Keratin Reconstructor Treatment. This is this right here. Sea Kelp and Feverfew Herb Rehydration Therapy, Triglyceride and Mint Scalp Renewal, Mocha and Molasses Anti-Shedding Remedy. Now you can use these together as like a set or separately as you need to. I'm going to be using these all together because my hair is extra dry and crunchy and it's been under my wigs for like a month and it just needs some super TLC. So I'll be using all 4 of these along with the Heavenly Halo Collection shampoo and conditioner to give my hair all the moisture that it needs in these super dry cold months. I don't know where I'm living anymore because I feel like I'm living in Antarctica because it's so cold. So already go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the Key Hive. And hello to all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for joining the Key Hive, and let's get right into today's video. I'm gonna start by opening the box so I can give y'all a nice view of the products. Oops. 2 ounces of product in each container. They're pretty small. They're like mini travel size bottles, so if you want to travel with it on the go, you definitely can. And you don't get a whole lot, but I love the main choice, so it's worth it to me because everything they make is like amazing. So I'm not sure which goes first, so we're just about to get right into it. Whew, okay. I don't know if it's because my nose is stuffy, but it definitely smells like it smells like syrup, like maple syrup, but this is molasses, so I never smelled molasses before, so the closest thing that I can say it smells like is maple syrup. Looks like it is brown and it's not sticky like you would think it would be sticky, but it's not sticky. So let's read what's on the box. Apply to dry hair prior to shampooing. Leave in up to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Shampoo, condition, or co-wash and style as usual. So I have half of my head completed and just want to give you an update. My hair feels really soft. It's not sticky at all. It actually has a nice glide on feel to it. I'm not really sure how much product to use on each section because I don't want to use it all, but I want to make sure my hair gets enough of it on there. So I haven't really dug in it yet. I just kind of been wiping the top and then putting it on. So I got this half done, so we'll see how it goes. All right, I'll be back when I finish this side. I have applied all of the Mocha and Molasses Anti-Shedding Remedy to my hair, and this is what it looks like so far. My hair is kind of dirty. Oh, I missed this piece. Darn it. feels super soft. It has a nice little shine to it. So now I'm going to let this sit on my hair for 30 minutes, shampoo my hair, and then come back and use the rest of this line. So see you in a bit. So I have rinsed out all of the mocha and molasses treatments, and I have to say my hair is super soft, and I will show you how much shed hair that I did lose. It's not a lot for me, especially since I have worn my hair in cornrows for about a month, and that's all the hair I lost. I'm pretty impressed. So my hair is really soft, and it's detangled, as you can see. Really soft, really detangled. It's great. So now we're going to be moving on to the other 3 steps in this kit. So we have the sea kelp and feverfew herb rehydration therapy. Try saying that 3 times fast. You have the silk amino acid and keratin reconstructor treatment. And say for both of these, it says after shampooing, apply evenly through towel, dried hair, comb through for even distribution. Rinse hair and scalp thoroughly with cool water and style as usual. So it smells like some Jergens lotion. That's probably the best as I can describe it. The Jergens lotion. So it's gonna. So I have all of the silk amino acid and keratin reconstructor treatment on by the sea kelp and feverfew herb rehydration therapy. I've applied all of the rehydration therapy to my hair and scalp, and my hair feels super soft. I'm leaving this in for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out with some cool water, and I'll show you the results once I'm done. Alright, see you in a bit. I've rinsed out the reconstructor and the rehydration therapy, and my hair feels so soft. Like, I can't describe how soft it feels, but it feels super soft, really hydrated, detangled. I only used the comb that one time, which is when you saw me working the product through my hair. That's the only time I've used the comb. So now I have the last and final product, which is the triglyceride and mint scalp renewal treatment right here. Massage this into my hair like you would oil, and you don't rinse it out. So it's about to do that real quick. Alright, so I've applied all of the scalp renewal onto my scalp, and y'all know I love the scalp treatments because I got a ton of them. My final thoughts are, it's definitely worth the $26.68 you will spend at Walgreens on it. I love it. The molasses treatment definitely helped stop the shedding. I had a little bit more shedding than normal because my hair was in braids for about a month before I just did this treatment, but definitely my hair nice and soft. The reconstructive treatment and hydration therapy definitely left my hair really soft. I left it on for about 15 or maybe 30 minutes because I was watching TV. I left it on for about 30 minutes and I rinsed it out with cool water, and like as soon as my hair touched the water, it was super soft. Also, the scalp renewal treatment leaves a nice tingling, fresh, clean feeling on my scalp, and my hair just feels super moisturized. I believe this reconstructive treatment is like a protein treatment, so it definitely helps repair and everything. I explained all that, but definitely go ahead and pick you up this nice little kit. You should find it at your local Walgreens. If you don't know where it's being sold, you can look on the Main Choice website and they can help you locate which Walgreens is being sold at. Will not regret it, especially since the whole entire North America is in Antarctica right now because it's cold for no reason at all. Like, this is not winter, this is sub-zero temperatures. I can't take it. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Let me know down in the comments below if you're going to be trying out this boosting treatment or what products from the Main Choice line I haven't tried that you would like for me to try out here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.